Hey! What's up, quiz lovers? Welcome back to Quiz Puffin. Today we are back with another fun game. Guess the character by their voice. Keep your eyes on the screen, spot the character, and make your guess. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Who's that talking? Web slinging coolness? Yep, Miles Morales. Number 2. Would you rather team up with Ladybug or go ice skating with Elsa? Number 3, who do you think is making this sound? Toilet chaos, you got it. Skibidi Dom, yes. Number 4, one emoji doesn't belong. Can your eyes catch it in time? Sharp eyes! You caught the odd one. Number 5. Whose voice are you hearing? That digital vibe? It's Pomni. Number 6. Would you rather speed through the city with Sonic or sneak through it with Among Us? Number 7. Who's speaking in this clip?
Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me.
Magical and icy. That was Elsa.
Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me.
Number 8. Stay alert. Something here is just slightly off. Nailed it. That emoji didn't belong. Number 9. Can you name the character behind the mic? Space Vibes? That was Among Us. Number 10. Would you rather join Puss in Boots on a treasure hunt or do a prank video with Mr. Beast? Number 11. Guess the character from this voice? High energy? That had to be Payton Delu. Number 12. Hidden in plain sight, can you detect the sneaky imposter? Sneaky imposter spotted. Well done. Number 13. Recognize this familiar voice? Yup, That silly sound came from Nobody's Sausage. Number 14, would you rather live in a cartoon world with Pomni or a fairy tale with Princess Peach? Number 15, any idea who's behind this voice?
This girl is on fire.
Full of attitude. That was Portia.
This girl is on fire.
Number 16, blink and you'll miss it. Which one breaks the pattern? You've got that pattern vision. Correct! Number 17. Which famous character is this?
Hey, you let me, believer.
That speedy voice? No doubt, Sonic.
Hey, you let me, believer.
Number 18. Would you rather battle monsters with Miles Morales or pull pranks with Nobody's Sausage? Number 19. Do you know who's talking right now?
Worst things first, saying all the words inside my head.
That cool voice? Definitely Mr. Beast.
First things first, saying all the words inside my head.
Number 20. It's tricky, it's subtle, but one of them is the odd one. That was a tough one, but you cracked it. Number 21. Can you guess who this is?
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에
You guessed it, Ladybug.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에
Number 22. Would you rather dance in a music video with Skibbity Dom Yes or sing with Smurf Cat? Number 23. Who could this possibly be? That sweet royal tone, Princess Peach. Number 24. Don't let it fool you. Spot the emoji that's out of place. The odd emoji didn't stand a chance. Number 25. Can you tell who said that?
Quiero que muevas tu cintura, que la vida es una locura.
Suave and smooth. It was Puss in Boots.
Quiero que muevas tu cintura, que la vida es una locura.
Number 26. Would you rather hang out at a science fair with Payton Delu or star in a movie with Portia? Number 27. Which character is behind this sound? You're right. That funky meow was Smurf Cat. Number 28. Almost perfect. Can you find what's wrong? That's right. Your brain's on fire today.